Hi, I'm Mackenzie Bearup and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, sorry this video is so late. This item was on back order and it took forever to get here. I originally bought it for myself as a Christmas gift in early December and didn't arrive until yesterday, last night. So I'm so excited about this. So this is a Gucci unboxing. So we're gonna start off with this little envelope here. It says Gucci. Pretty. It's just a little card that comes with it. It says Gucci on the back. I don't know what it's for, but it's shiny and it's pretty, so I like it and I'm gonna keep it. So a little backstory here. I have been wearing rings on my right ring finger for at least a decade, and I feel completely naked if there's not a ring on this finger. So right now I'm wearing this Pandora ring that's a crown, and I've been wearing it since I got it in 2014, so 6 years now, and I'm sick of it, to be quite honest with you. So I've gone through several nice rings, but this Pandora one, I'm tired of it. It's not as nice as some of the others that I've worn on my finger in the past, but I don't really want to wear those again. So I thought I would treat myself to a nice ring. Now I didn't want to go for something like diamond, like engagement ring kind of thing. So I went on the Gucci website and shopped around, looked at the rings, and found one that I loved. So here we go. We're gonna open up the bag. All right, I have not opened up the bag. I have not seen this at all yet, so this is my first reaction. So let's see. It's tied in a bow. Just untie that. I'm so excited. And just tissue paper. Inside of it is this Gucci box. Ah! I'm so excited. It says Gucci, I promise. Gucci. All right, let's open this up. Take the ribbon off. The ribbon says Gucci on it, but it's black on black, so it's going to be hard to see. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there we go. Here's the box. Here is me opening it. That was a fail. Okay. Here's me opening it this way. All right. So it looks to be, it's in a jewelry pouch, that makes sense because it's a ring. All right, I'm gonna take it out of its bag now. See it for the first time. Oh my gosh. Of course it would be wrapped up. They don't make this easy, do they? This also arrived in a huge box for a ring. Like, obviously this bag was inside of the box, so it had to be pretty big for it being something this size that I bought. Okay, can we get this open? Here we go. Yay! Okay, so it's a little heart ring and it says Gucci. Let's see if we can get that. Can you see that it says Gucci? I don't think you can. It does, I promise. Okay, well, I'll show it on my hand later and you'll be able to see, but let's go ahead and take this tag off. It says this tag must remain attached for returns or exchanges, so I'm just gonna try it on with the tag first, just in case it's not the right size. I hope it is, because this took forever to come in. Yes, the right size. So I'm going to take off the tag. There we go. And voila! We've got my brand new Gucci ring. Show it off here. It's still not picking up that it says Gucci on the heart. But it reminded me of my Lucky bracelet, which has a heart on it as well that says please return to Tiffany & Co. New York. So I wanted to kind of see if I could match a little bit with the Gucci ring. And then there are Gucci earrings as well, and a necklace that have the heart that I may get, I may not get, I don't know. But my first, the thing that I really wanted was a new ring. So that is what I got. I'm so happy with it.
Boy, you make it all slow down. You got me thinking about